Alright, super short vlog today. I am in my very messy kitchen, which kind of doubles as a workshop. And here's my super messy workbench. So what I'm working on today is MIDI. For the piano project, the idea is that any key you press will just play the next note in the sequence. So I could program a piano piece into this piano and then anyone could play it even if they didn't know how to play the piano, which I think will be really fun. And the idea for this project is that, well, like any other projects, it can be just put in a public space and then people can sort of play with it. So I need to learn how MIDI works so that I can take MIDI files of piano pieces and kind of work with those. Because I'm doing some non-standard stuff. This is not normally how MIDI works, but I need those MIDI files. Anyway, so here's MIDI. Let me see if I can print this. Print pattern. So this is a MIDI library for Python. I hope that's not too close. And MIDI is all about events. So in this case, I'll go through this quickly and then I'll kind of explain what a tick is. It's saying MIDI.note on tick 0. That means at the very beginning of the song. Channel 0, so different MIDI controllers will have different channels. For instance, the keyboard that I've been working with has a separate channel. I can't remember what the channel is, but a separate channel for like the drum pad. This is saying data equals 64. That's the 64th key on the keyboard. It's like I think it's like 6th E. There's tables you can look that data up. 72 is the velocity. That's basically how hard you've hit the key. So it says, at 0, push that key at that, strength. And then 100 ticks after that, push it at 0. That means turn it off. It's a note off event. I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure if that velocity matters if it's a note off event. And then turn a different one on and turn a different one off. So what I've learned is that all of these times, these ticks, they're all relative to the one that came before it. So this happens at the beginning. This happens 100 ticks after that. This happens 0 ticks after that event. This happens 100 ticks after that event, and so on and so forth. So if you look, these happen 100 ticks after one another, and then these happen 200 ticks. So the reason that this is weird to me is that the way that I would do this if I was going to write it would be, keep the note on for 200 ticks. But this is just turn the note on, and then 200 ticks later turn it off. So somewhat different. In the background, this is just GarageBand. I kind of loaded my MIDI file up in here. Let's see if this actually plays. I didn't do that. Piano, grand piano, and then delete these. Let's see what this sounds like. Cool. Oops. Stop. Cool. There it is. I can modify MIDI files. I think they make sense to me now. Tomorrow I should do some work with generating something for people to play. So the actual piano is kind of on hold because I'm realizing that once I paint it, I can't weld anything to it anymore without grinding that paint off. So I don't know that I want to call it done just yet. Anyway, that's the vlog for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.